If you want to go viral on YouTube, do this as soon as you can. The niche I'm about to show you is not competitive yet, so it's better to start fast before it gets more filled with channels and videos. So let's start with the video. The niche I'm about to show you is the dark psychology niche. Let me show you an example channel. This channel only has posted 60 videos and all of them are shorts, and it has around 520,000 subscribers and it's monetized. Now you understand how insane this niche actually is. Today I'll show you a step-by-step guide to creating videos like this. First, we need a name for this channel. If you don't know what to name your channel, then don't worry, ChatGPT got you covered. ChatGPT is extremely good for naming things, especially channels. Trust me, they're really cool. Let's ask, give me some channel names for a dark psychology YouTube channel. As you can see, ChatGPT can provide a lot of good names, but add your little flavor to the given name. Afterwards, we need a logo and a banner for our channel. For this process, I'm going to use CapCut's new text-to-image AI. This AI is similar to Midjourney and it gets the work done. Also, it's really easy to use. I mean, extremely easy. You can select the size ratio like this and create your images with a good prompt. Prompt or prompt? I don't really know. If you want some good prompt, you can go to inspiration and view the displayed prompts and you can use it or even edit it yourself. Then we need a banner. Don't overthink on the banner. For me, I'll always use Pixabay and just add some text with some background images. Before anything, you need this thing. What do I call this? I don't even know. We'll call this the size ratio for banners. I'll give a download link for this in the description. You can download it from Google. After you download it, open Pixabay, get your background and go to add image. Select the banner size ratio image and perfectly fit it. Then you can use text, etc. And I mean like you can do anything. Next step is creating the videos, but first we need to come up with a script. The first step is we need to find a story or an article about dark psychology. To avoid any type of copyright issues, I will just ask ChatGPT to give me some articles and stories about dark psychology. Next step is to make the voiceover. As usual, we are going to use 11 Labs for that. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for free. After that, you can choose a suitable AI voice from the given options. I recommend using a deeper voice or something that matches the theme of the video. When you are done with selecting the voiceover, copy the article we generated using ChatGPT. Click Generate the voiceover. Now that the voiceover is completed, we need to find suitable image for our video background. Again, I'll use ChatGPT's text-to-image AI for that. Make sure these images are in line with the script we are talking about. Now, the final part, and it's editing. I'm going to use CapCut to edit these videos. It's a free video editing software. You can simply download it onto your mobile or computer. Open CapCut, start a new project. Select the suitable size for shorts, which are 9:6 ratio. After that, import all the voiceover and the images to the timeline. If you have more images, it will just increase the quality of the content more and more and more. After that, add some transitions between the images to give more to the video. And then I'll just say go to video effects down here and just play along with them. Add a lot of effects but not too much that it will be bad and ugly. You can add video animations to give some attractions to the images. After that, we need to add captions. CapCut has a feature that can automatically generate captions. Go to the text and select auto captions and choose an animation. Generate the caption within a few seconds, then you can edit it in a suitable way. You can do whatever you want. Then add some colors and you should be good to go. After that, you can add some background music so it doesn't feel like it's empty. You can use Pixabay for copyright-free music. Links in the description. Add the music to the timeline like you did with the voiceover. Then you can export the file. Start uploading to your channel. Make sure to upload 2 or 3 videos per day. Consistency is the key element to success on YouTube, and find a competitor for your channel. See what videos they are posting and keep trying. You will learn from your videos as well. If you guys want, I will make an in-depth tutorial about how to find a trending topic on YouTube. Until then, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.